you've built up like a following of like you've got over 500,000 people, haven't you, across TikTok and Instagram, thousands, millions of views. So why do you think it is you've been so successful? I guess you've found that niche, although it's quite a big niche in terms of who you're appealing to. But why do you think you've attracted, so many followers?
I have been successful compared to the other people in the space. Like, I'm not the only one, as I said. I'm not the biggest, but I'm not the smallest. And it comes down to how you create that content and what you do differently to everyone else. I think some of the key pillars in what's made me stand out and perhaps be successful, number one being consistency. It's such a cliche. Whenever someone says, oh, how do I gain followers on whatever, everyone starts with consistency, right? Well, they're not lying. Consistency is so key because it's not just about being like, oh, quality over quantity. No, other way, quantity over quality. It's about actually being seen to be there every day. It's like showing your followers when they come and see your page, or anyone, someone who's not following you yet, when they come and see you, they want to see that you're showing up every day, that you've actually got a passion for this, that you're actually genuinely trying to help people, not just trying to get views and get those ego statistics like comments, likes and follows. It's more than that, and actually you are there every day regardless of how well the videos are doing.
Mm,
Authenticity is quite a key pillar as well. People can tell when you're being authentic, when you're talking about things that you understand, things that you genuinely do implement in your own life as well. Um, because if you're talking about topics, or providing guidance on things that you're not doing yourself, then who are you for people to listen to, right? I think
mm,
the fact that I enjoy it as well is also really important in like how I've come across and how I've been successful in that sense. Because if I didn't enjoy it, then I wouldn't be doing it, right? I wouldn't have been able to do it for this long, especially.
mm,
So, and
mm,
then I'd say the
mm,
last one really is I mentioned it a bit, the quality and quantity factors. I've been able to find a real good balance because I think, I feel like if you speak to any kind of like social media guru that's trying to advise you on how to grow your social media page, they're going to tell you quantity, 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 like just get out there, get yourself out there. But I really, even though that does work for some creators, if you post 100 videos, you've got one in 100, you've got 100 more chances of a video being successful.
mm,
But what I've tried to do is kind of get that balance between the quality and quantity, where you've got to see it as every video that you post is obviously going towards your following that already follows you because of a video that you posted in the past. You always want to keep up that standard, but you've also got to see a video as it's your first impression on someone as well. You want your first impression to be its best it can be, which is why you want the information you share to be of value to people. You want the quality to be high, and you want to come across as your best self.